When it comes to water on the farm, often we only find out there's a problem when it's too late. Manually monitoring tank levels and leakages from farm and orchard water system is time consuming, and visual measurements such as tank level indicators only work if you're close enough to see them. So if you've had a kettle breaking through a fence, an empty irrigation tank on an orchard, or burnt out pump running for days, you know how valuable it can be to find a better monitoring system. Fortunately, digital water monitoring solution ranges from complex to basic. You can get basic tank level monitoring or fully automated system. There are even solutions for remote tanks and pumps. The basic system consists of level monitors and flow meters, which can be used to tell you of any errors or strange activity. The tank is connected to the device by a radio link, which works well if the line of sight between the device and the sensor is clear. If you have too many obstacles in the way, some of the radio solutions can hop the signal. It's worth bringing this up with your provider. The next level will be using cellular network or a radio network that your provider will build on your farm or orchard. These solutions are more expensive, but the benefit is that they can be used for a range of different monitoring solutions and have more flexibility in the way they can be set up. For bigger scale operations, satellite solutions are now also available for monitoring remote spots on large properties. These solutions use cloud-based software and send the data from the sensors to your smartphone to connect to the internet. Once you've started exploring these options, there are a few more choices to make. There are quite a few different sensors, transducers and radars for detecting water levels, flow meters and voltage meters for measuring pumps. With lots of options to choose from, it's good to start by figuring out what you need. Is the basic system enough, or do you want something more advanced? Like a solution that lets you control the pump remotely. These solutions will save you time. Instead of having to drive around the farm to check if stock has water or the tank is full, you can control these things remotely. Getting timely alerts when there is an issue or leakage can save you time and money. You can even use the device to check if the problem's solved. Talk to your providers about how to get the most out of these solutions. Start by thinking about the future of your farm. Where would you like your business to be in a few years' time? And what system will support you in that growth? If cost is a problem, you can start step by step with the features you need and then add on to them as you go. Pick a provider that you trust, maybe one that has been around a while and is willing to talk about your needs. You want something that fits your needs and can use your internet. Ask them to run a test before to make sure your connectivity works. If you have a current water system, pump, service company, see if they have some suggestions around who to use, or farmers in the area might have some good advice too.